Hey, David here, and in this video I'm going to show you the best software for small businesses in 2025. So I'm going to take you in and we're going to go feature by feature, just a big overview. It's going to be a series of different videos going into each and every feature of the software. So let's get started. So once you log in, you're going to be taken to a page looking just like this. It's called a Launchpad. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be connecting every feature to your Google account. This is Google My Business. This is Facebook. Obviously, it's self-explanatory. You could do it right from the Launchpad. You could also do it right here in the settings. I know it could be overwhelming a little bit, but that's why you have me. Once you sign up, again, you're going to be working with me, doing all the settings, going over step by step. And again, once you log in, you're going to have to fill out all your information. Just please fill out as much as possible every single aspect of this of your business, your address, obviously your email, your phone number. We're going to go over different phone numbers in the settings section. You could also do integration. That should be right in here. Again, you want to connect your Facebook page. I'll explain why in later videos why you're going to need to connect everything as much as possible. Stripe is where the payment is. Again, Google My Business. If you don't have Google My Business, please go log in, create a Gmail and create a Google My Business account. I'm probably going to help you if you don't have one. I'll show you. There's actually many videos on YouTube that you could will show you how to create the Google My Business page. You definitely going to want to need that. And again, Facebook, because everything's, again, the system's going to come together where you're going to have conversation with your clients in one location. So again, yes. So let's go back. We're going to go back. We're going to get out of settings and we're going to go step by step. Again, just a quick little overview. You got the Launchpad. Then you have your dashboard where you'll be able to see everything, your opportunities, your clients. Again, this is one big overview. Conversation, this is where you're going to be spending most of your time in the conversation. Again, this is where you're going to spend most of your time talking to your clients right from the conversational app. You'll be able to text with them. This is mostly for texting. You could also email them as well. So it's going to be everything one under big umbrella once you sign up for the software. All your conversation through Google My Business, through Facebook Messenger, through your website, through the live chat. Everything's going to come right into this conversational tab. Next, you have a calendar. You could create a calendar for yourself, for your clients, for different kind of, whether you're a massage therapist or you're running some kind of a demo or you want to do any kind of customer service. You could create a calendar for yourself or your staff. All your contacts are going to be right in here. They could be tagged, whether it's a cold lead, hot lead. You could upload all your contacts and you could start email them or just having a nurturing or conversation. So again, all your contacts is going to be all in one place and you could see how everything's going to be very organized for you guys once you learn the software. And yes, it is a learning curve, but you have me just to go over step by step. And we will do that step by step with every single tab that you see on the left hand side. And you also have tabs right in here. So there's a lot could be going on within the tab and the settings that you will have to do. Now you have opportunity, which is like a pipeline to be, again, more organized. You can have new leads, hot leads, cold leads, booked appointments, no-shows. You could create your own opportunities and pipeline right in here. Payments tab. This way you set up the payments, and you could send client invoices. You could you just collect payments right in here. You could create products. You could create coupons. You create integration with Stripe or PayPal. Again, everything will be right in here. Just once you have access, you could log in and you could start playing around. It's not that hard. I know it seems complicated, but it's really not. Orders are going to be right in here. Anybody that places an order, you could create subscriptions. Again, payment links to send to your clients. Next, marketing. Again, you have all kinds of tabs right in here. And marketing, once you connect, again, your Facebook, your Instagram, you could start creating your LinkedIn, Twitter, I mean, everything. You could start creating actually posts right from one tab. Once you create it, and you could just create a post, select your account, boom, and just start creating any kind of post from one dashboard. Automation, this is the, I guess, meat and potatoes of the software, because this is the incredible part of this whole software, where it all comes together in the automation. Basically, just a quick overview. If somebody fills out a form, they will start getting messages, whether through text or email. You could start creating reviews as soon as somebody leaves your office. You could set up a trigger in 2 hours, send them a review. Hey, how was your treatment? And everything's done from the workflows and in this tab. So this is actually where all the magic happens, through the automation tab. Again, this could take, this is a little bit of learning curve, but once you set up the system, it's going to be running perfectly, and you won't ever have to touch it again unless you want to build more automation. Again, you could see here is like a missed call. Again, if you don't pick up the phone, this is the trigger, missed call. It goes into your voicemail. Sorry, this is not the video. We're going to go over every single thing that goes on in the automation tab. Sites, this is probably where we're going to be building sites tomorrow. Maybe if you want to reply, I'll take a look at your business, and we're going to set up maybe a funnel. This is the difference between the funnels and just a big it's definitely not a WordPress, but you could see the difference. I'll show you tomorrow the difference between websites and funnels. Funnels, basically, it's like a landing page. If you're a lawyer and you have DWI, that's who you want to target as a client. You create a specific landing page for DWI, and you start running ads, because that's the problem that person's having is with their DWI, and you as a lawyer will resolve it. Membership tab, this is where you could create courses, communities right in here. Again, it's here. I'm not sure if you're gonna use it. I don't use it. So you have the media right here. This is where you will upload all your videos, all your images, your logo. Everything's going to be stored right in here. If you want to even have ads, I mean, this is just incredible. It just stays in one place. You could see, and you could just, once you're building a website, or if you're building a landing page, you could just create any kind of, just take pictures right from here. This is where you're gonna your reviews will be, and this is where you're going to be managing your reputation. You'll be able, once you create Yelp or Google My Business, you'll be able to see all the reviews that are going to be coming in here. You're going to be able to reply to the reviews right from this tab right in here. Reporting, again, you could create your own reporting. There's more settings. I know it's a little overwhelming, but it's not. You're really going to be using just maybe a few tabs. Definitely your website, because you're going to want to update your offer, your landing page, and obviously you're going to be spending a lot of time in the conversation. And like I said before, once you have access and you sign up with me, you're going to start creating your business profile, your address, definitely, this is very important if you're in calendar, your time zone. My profile definitely filled this up. Billing, my staff, if you want to give access to your receptionist, your appointment setter, or anybody that you have working, you could create your opportunities right in here. This is where you set up your cold leads, your whole pipeline, just like this. I mean, yours could be different. You could add it and then opportunities, and then somebody fill out a form. You could tag them as a new lead, cold lead, hot lead, and so on and so forth. Again, this is a lot of conversational AI is where you're going to train your AI bot. It's going to be, usually it sits on bottom right, and if anybody contacts you and you train your bot, whether, like for me, I have organic skincare, and I have trained bot, people usually asking for coupons and knows exactly what kind of a coupon to send. If it's a first-time client, if it's a VIP client, or somebody's looking for tracking number, it sends them a link. So it's going to be trained for whatever business that you're in. So this is conversational app. Again, you could train them within 30 minutes, and it's going to be your best employee. So what else is email service? Yes, you will have to set up your email. I'll show you how to do that. It's very easy. You set up your domain name through GoDaddy. You're going to want to set up a domain name obviously for your business. I can help you. There's a lot of YouTube videos on how to set up domain name, and the domain name is going to be integrated with your email server. Phone numbers, super important. You're gonna have to create a phone number. Don't worry, it's only gonna be for your Google My Business. This way, your cell phone number cannot trigger automated text messages. You will gonna have to create a brand. It's gonna have to look something like this if you want to send text messages. And yes, again, this is a must. You have no idea how many business this created for me, just to send automated text messages and emails. So yeah, you're gonna want to get a phone number. Everything's going to be integrated and also forward to your number, so you don't have to worry. You'll have an app on your phone. You'll know exactly what's going on. This is the beauty of automation, because once somebody contacts you, you're going to be alerted instantly. So call the client back, call your lead back as soon as possible. Also, the automation will go on if you don't pick up the phone. The automation will trigger like a missed call, like, hey John, or hey Bob, sorry I missed your call. You could say whatever you want. Give me 30 minutes, I'll give you a call back, and we'll see what we could do as soon as possible. So this is a quick little overview. I know it took a little longer than usual. So tomorrow we're gonna start building a website. Again, if you're interested, send me your URL, your business, and your website address. I'll take a look at it, and maybe I'll pick one of your businesses, and we'll set up a nice little funnel landing page. I also created an online community called School, just for our business network. You could sign up with me. Not only are you going to get insight of my community, where I'll be posting content, information, giving you guys all kinds of prompts, all kinds of education, how to get more leads, how to get more clients, how to do many things inside the software. And again, you will get inside my community, as well as you'll get access to all the software and all the features. Again, how to build websites, how to start communicating, start conversation with your clients, how to automate your whole processing within your work. Also AI automation to really speed up your the way you do business inside with your clients and then just inside your business. Now you could sign up. I'm gonna put a link in the description. It's basically it's $397 a month or $3,600 a year, which is 24%. Again, once you click on the link, you could just click on sign up, and it's already exists. Basically, it's $397 a month and or $3,600 a year. And hope to see you soon. And I'll see you tomorrow. We'll be doing a website for one of our clients. Thank you and have a great day.